And our crew's trying to get out of here. For a moment, I thought they were going to be pulling up to one of the docks, but they kind of pulled in, and it looks like they're just going to leave. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down at the dock, and today we are visiting 79th Street. So our crew, I mean, they look hesitant. I'm not sure, but Cap looks like he's going to turn back out into the bay. But I guess they just didn't like what they saw. Maybe it was a little too busy for them, or maybe they're just not done partying for the day. But we got a nice jet ski pulling in, pulling the old tube. I hate seeing that around the docks. Don't want to come in here pulling the tube, guys. Things could go, and people are in the water. This is why you don't do this around the docks. So the people who were on the tube have fallen off. There's not really going to be enough space right here for these guys to come back and get them. And now they are swimming as boats are trying to pull in. And it is a busy day down here at 79th. And I mean, it's fun in games to them until one of these prop boats gets close to them. So the ladies are going to wind up trying to swim it in back to the dock. But man, and their jet ski friends, they're going to the farthest end. That's the jet ski dock, so he's heading to where he's supposed to go. And it's fun in games to them, too. I mean, as long as everybody winds up okay, I guess. But the reality is just, this is one of the worst spots to pull in with a tube like this. One, you're dragging a tube, so you're taking up more space than you need around the dock. Somebody's prop could get caught in your line, and that could have disastrous consequences, not only for the boat, but if there were people on the inflatable, it could have consequences for them as well. But now, also, they could fall in the water right here at the docks like this crew just did. We're trying to find them now, and there they are on the dock. But again, they're wearing all black. It's dark. I mean, somebody could easily wind up hitting this crew. And to top it all off, the one person here is not even wearing a properly fitting life jacket. As you can tell, it's trying to pop off over their head. But it looks like they'll make it around, and they should be all right. But look, here comes another crew coming in moderately hot. And it's just a poor idea. So this crew is working their way toward the dock. And they're going to brake check it. And I think they're going to back it on the dock, which is just strange. You can't load the boat backing in. Maybe they're going to turn around. But it doesn't look like it. No, Cap's making his approach, coming in stern first. Again, the jet skier people that dropped the people off the tube in the water, another reason why. If this guy was just backing in, didn't see the kids there, oh man, I don't even want to think about it. But anyway, our guy's going to go ahead and try and pull this one over. Not the first person I've seen back in on the dock, but just again, you're going to have to flip this thing around to get it loaded. But maybe he just feels more comfortable doing it this way. Or it could be a dump and go, which they typically don't allow here at 79. So if one of the security guards around here sees it, and it is a dump and go, they'll make these guys get right back on the boat and kick them out. So 1 foot on the dock, 1 foot on the boat, but he's able to land it. And this crew should be good to roll. And here comes the old jet ski boys coming into the ramp, ignoring the no-wake. Always got to be careful here at 79th, because the police and security that are here, if they see you guys doing this, I can't tell you how many times we've seen people ticketed. And my man comes in real hot, and what in the world is this? Our girl's facing backwards. We got the old reverse cowboy right into the ramp. And I guess she got tired of the wind in her face, maybe. That's always an interesting one. But I'm just going to warn you guys, if you ever come down to 79th, be careful coming in hot like that. Again, this is not me. I'm just letting you know that I have watched it probably 100 times now where somebody comes flying in and the police that are here just walk right up as soon as you guys get on the dock and they wind up giving you a ticket. And you get stuck down here for an extra hour as well because they just take their time with it. So our crew here is coming toward the dock. And the ski looks a little bit unstable, and the crew does make it over. And they're able to get off and onto the dock. Crew's starting to line it up, trying to determine which dock they're going to approach. We've got lines on the ready, it appears. And let's see how Cap makes his approach as he comes in. I think Cap's decided on number 6, so we're going to move over here to him. Pretty decent approach, coming in at a good speed. Bumpers out, or fenders as everybody else would prefer to say. Got a line on the ready, so we should be good to roll. And got our guy on the dock. And unfortunately he's pulling, but the boat's slipping off the backside. Cap's trying to push it off. He's left the helm. He's going to have to give it a little power to get it around. Our guy grabs the stern line also. And I think he's going to get an assist from a Good Samaritan here also. Try and bring him around. So there we go. Good tug on the bow line. It's going to bring it over. And they're going to pull him forward. Cap's trying to give him some instructions. He's trying to back it in. Careful, Cap. You're going to hit. And he winds up smacking the dock. And our crew was trying to get him around, and things just got out of hand a little bit. Our guy's trying to get around this last pole. Cap leaves the helm, and we'll go ahead and get it set up for the tie-off, and they'll get it on. But our guy actually smacked the dock pretty good on that one. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.